Good morning students, I am Krishna Kumar. Today we are going to discuss a computer science online class. Okay, last year also I only handling the computer science paper for you. In this year also I only handling the computer science paper. In 5th standard you are going to study in the Bharathasan University certification course. Okay, in last year you are studied in Aram publications books, but this year you are going to study in Bharathasan University certification course. Okay, Bharathasan University announced one of the student certification course. This course will be only students. Okay, in this course we are having more interesting lessons. In first lesson is computing skill. The book name is also computing skill. First lesson also computing skill. Okay, first we are going to discuss some of the introductions of computer today. First class no. So today we are going to discuss some of the important introductions of computer. First I ask the questions to you. Just you recall. What is computer? What is computer? Okay. A computer is a programmable electronic device that accepts data, performs the operations on the data, presents the results and stores the data or results as needed. A computer is a programmable device. We already know it's also one of the electronic device. It is used for store the information and calculating some of the calculations. Okay, we want to store some more information means we are using computer. Next, what are the advantage and disadvantage of computer? Nowadays all the people they are using computer. We see some of the important advantages and disadvantages. Okay, first we are going to see advantage. What is the advantage? First one, speed. Okay, if man do the work means it takes hours, more hours, but computer do the work, some work means within a minute it's find the answer. Accuracy. Accuracy means it is a high level answer high level results also. Accuracy means if man did some mistakes sometimes, but computer never do the mistake, finally it gives the correct answer. That is called accuracy. Store huge amount of data. The man can store the some level of the data only. Maximum we can able to memory the 5 or 10 members mobile number, but computer store the huge level of data, 100 or 1000 mobile numbers also it will store in the memory. Online trading, we can easily online trading means easily approach the another one in the online. Next one, online education, distance learning. Now we are going to taking the classes, so this is also one of the online education. Research, the research people, more the people using a computer. Research means they are storing the more data. Whenever they want the data they can easily pick out. So research people using the computer. Next one, forecasting weather and predicting. Some days told in the news channels, they are told tomorrow morning very cloudy in your place, otherwise very rainy in your place. They are told, how they are told? Using computer they are measuring the weathers, so they are using computer. Next one, earthquake, volcanoes. Earthquake means that earthquake. Okay, how they are find the earthquake it will come or not? How they will find? Using computer measure accurately. So they are previously they are tell earthquake will come or not. Okay, they are measuring the earthquake also using computer. Next one, produce the employment. In IT park, more places, more your brothers also told, I was working in the IT park, I was working in the computer science, I was working in the computer. What they are, where they are working? They are using computer, they are working. So it is also producing the employment also. Internet, more people nowadays they are using internet. This internet based on the computer only they are providing. Okay, in business people also, more people they are using computer for the storing the data. Disadvantage, what are the disadvantage means? First one, health issue. More time we are using the computer means it is making some of the health issues. Second one, spread of pornography. Pornography means it's making some of the issues. Then next one, virus and hacking attacks. Okay, computer virus, you know that computer virus. In last year also you studied about it. Computer virus. It is hacking the system. Hacking the system. Computer cannot take their own decisions. Yes, it is correct. Computer is not, it cannot able to take the own decision. Whatever the human will give the input and input, they are giving the output. It cannot able to take the own decision. Negative effects of environment. It's also more affected in the environment, in our surrounding. Okay, crosshair networks also sometimes it's crosshair means it is making some of the troubles. Next one, computer cannot work in on itself. We already see in that the third point, you know. So fourth point, so computer cannot able to work separately. It's giving what human give the work, that's only it will do. Spread of violence and hatred. Okay, easily the one of the information is passed one place to another place, and the wrong information also, that's a problem. Online cyber crimes. Most of the people told, in my bank account someone took money, someone hacked take the money. Some people told, you know. So it's also one of the problem. Data information violence. Okay, if you are store the data in computer means someone can able to take, so it is a disadvantages. Okay, these are all the advantages and disadvantages. Next, what is the computer input and output devices? What is the input devices? What is the output devices? Anyone can tell what is the input device? The input devices means whatever we give the instructions to the computer using the equipment, that equipment is called input devices. Okay, what is the output devices means what is the equipment you can use to see or get the result, that is called output devices. First one, some of the input devices I will tell you: mouse, keyboard, scanner, touchpad, light pen, joystick, microphone, digital camera, touch screen, barcode reader, trackball, CD-ROM. These are all the input devices. Most of the students know about joystick. It is used for playing the games. Mouse, if you want to click something means we can use the mouse. It is one of the input device. Next one, keyboard. We want to give some letters, we want to type some of the information means we are using keyboards. Okay, this much CD-ROM means we want to see the movies means you can use the CD. These are all the input devices. Next, output devices. Some of the output devices I show to you: speaker, monitor, headphone, plotter, projector, printer. Speaker is used for getting the sounds. Okay, we want to hear some of the information, songs means we are using speaker. It's one of the output. We want to see some results in see means we are using monitor. If you want to if you draw one picture, we want to see the output means we are using monitor. Headphone also used to hear the sounds. Projector, we want big size of monitor means we are using projector. Printer, if you are typing something means you want to take a print means using the printer. Example, in our examination question paper we can type it and take the print, then we are writing the answers. So printer used for getting the paper outputs. Okay, then next one, we already know about it. In the last year we have studied it also. We are having three major types of computer. One is the analog and digital hybrid. What's it? Analog, digital, hybrid. First one, analog computer. The computer which provide us continuous informations are called analog computers. Continuously the information gives the computer means it is called analog computer. The speed is very important for this one. The input data is not a number, in fact physical quantity like pressure, speed, voltage, temperature. The temperature morning is very low, the afternoon is very high, the evening also is going to low. So the informations will vary the time to time. So the analog computer is used to give the output for time to time vary the inputs. Okay, then digital computer. The digital computer is used for only getting the perfect output. The computers which present the physical quantities with the help of symbols or numbers and provide us discrete information are called digital computers. The digital computers, the input data is represented by numbers. A computer that processes information in digital form. Accuracy, the accuracy is the best example of digital computer. The correct answer will come in the digital computer. Okay. Next one, hybrid computer. Hybrid computers are computers that exhibit features of both analog computers and digital computers. Hybrid computer has the speed of analog and the accuracy of digital computer. Both we are combined getting one computer is hybrid computer. They explain to you hybrid computer has the speed of analog computer. We already know about it. Analog computer is very speed and accuracy of digital computer. Both we are combined. We are getting one computer is hybrid computer. I hope that all the one understand that. Next one, storage devices. Storage devices. What are the storage devices available in the computer? You know that? Okay. First we are going to discuss. Before that we are going to discuss the measurement of storage devices. Last year also we studied how we can measure the storage devices. A bit means 1 byte. 1 kilobyte, KB, 1 KB means 1024 bytes. 1 MB, 1 megabyte means 1024 kilobyte. 1 GP, gigabyte means 1024 megabytes. 1 TP, terabyte means 1024 gigabytes. 1 PP, 1 petabyte means 1024 TP, terabyte. Okay, this much of measurement we are storing capacity devices. Okay, what are the types of computer memory? Computer memory is classified in the two types. One is the primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is classified in the two parts. One is the RAM, random access memory. Next one, ROM, read only memory. Secondary memory, punching device, magnetic tap, floppy disk, optical device, disk, hard disk and flash disk. Okay, primary memory is the one of the temporary memory. Secondary memory is the permanent memory. Permanent memory is included in the pen drive, CDs, this and all. Okay, today we are see some of the information in the introduction of computer science, computing skills. Tomorrow in next class we can going to discuss the software and hardware. Okay, if you have any doubt in this lesson, please ask me. Okay, thank you.